What's going on, everybody? It's Jacob over here at SDR Motorsports. Today we're going to be going over the front bumper install for the Maverick car. Alright, so first things first, we're going to have to go ahead and remove this bottom piece of plastic here. So it's held on with 4 T30 screws and 4 rivets in the bottom. So we're going to go ahead, grab a T30 Torx and a 3/16 or 1/8 inch drill bit and drill out those rivets. Then you can just go ahead and pull that piece off and throw it in the garbage. You don't need it anymore. All right, so we'll grab the main section of the bumper here, as well as the hardware from the hardware pack. And I find it easiest to assemble the front two first and get those in loosely once it's up here on the bulkhead. Go ahead, reach through, and nut and washer on the back side. Then we'll do the same thing through the 2 bolt holes on the sides. All right, then we'll go ahead and grab our socket and wrench and get those all tightened up. So we do offer 2 versions of the bumper, just like all of our other bumpers. We offer a winch version and a pre-runner version. If you order the winch version, this is the skid plate that it's going to come with. It'll have a fair lead bolted to it. And this skid plate does retain access to the factory tow hitch, or tow hook. If you buy the pre-runner option, you're going to go ahead and just get the basic plain skid plate with our mesh in it. That will cover the tow hook. It is still there. If you want to use it, you just got to pull the skid off. So we're going to go ahead and install the pre-runner today. So it's easiest, go ahead and just flip that tow hook up and out of the way. And then we'll grab our hardware and get it all thrown in. Alright, once you've got the skid plate all tightened up here, there is 2 more bolt holes for the skid plate down here at the bottom that line up with existing holes in the bulkhead. They do have to get drilled out, so once you've got this on there, go ahead and grab a 1/4 inch drill bit. We'll drill out those 2 bottom holes and put in our remaining 2 bolts, and then we'll be done.